So basically push button, which is right there, drag and drop, rotate it. You can create it in any way that you prefer or you like. I'll put it this way and get my LED, rotate it, and also put it that way. I've created this circuit like thousands of times now. And 220 ohms. And we're gonna get the 220 ohms resistor connected to the pin. So let's choose what pin we want to connect it to. We'll connect it to pin 5. So that goes to pin 5. And not going to do any coloring now, simply, yeah, let's do it. Right. And we've got the ground going to ground, connect that to ground, take it back, and we want to connect into the push button switch. Switch input to pin 2. And let's make that orange. Okay. And what we want to do is also ground the push button. It's the same as dragging it to the black one. So what we have is a circuit that has LED pin. Can I make a different color? Yeah, blue. You've got your LED pin going to pin 2 and then push button going to pin 5. So what LED pin going to pin 5, push button going to pin 2. So what you notice is that we are not using any resistor to connect the LED pin at the push button. So let's call it register. Okay, so creating circuit created for us. As usual, we need